Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you play Genshin Impact on the Mac. So first, what you're gonna do is open Safari and now just type for play cover. And you can see that it shows that run iOS apps and games natively on your Apple Silicon Mac. So now what you're going to do is click the download button and download the latest version. Okay, so now I'm going to open the DMG file, and next just drag the play cover into applications folder. Okay, so after you drag it and it finished copying, you can just type for QuickTime, just spotlight search it and search for play cover. Okay, so you can see that you have no IPAs installed, and now what you're gonna do is import IPA. So you need to download an IPA file of the Genshin Impact app from the web. So let me show you how. Okay, so now let's go to IPA download website called Decrypt IPA store, and you can see that you can just search the games here. So I'm going to search for Genshin. Okay, so you have a lot of this. You can search for this Genshin Impact from Cognosphere, click on it, and now download it for free. And you can just click for, I'm going to go for a download link from the Google Drive. Okay, so now you need to log in to this website first. So I'm going to log in with Telegram. Okay, so now you can just download here. Oh, I'm using an ad blocker here, so I need to disable it first. So make sure that you disable all of your ad blockers before downloading, as you cannot download with the ad blocker turned on. So now refresh the website and download it for free and click download. You can see that it's from Google Drive here. Okay, so now you can just click here to download the file, download anyway, allow, and now just wait for the game to download. After that, you can just go to your play cover app and open it. So now what you're going to do is go to the play cover app and now import IPA. So now the IPA is in my downloads folder, and double click to open it, and you can see that it's extracting the app from IPA file. Okay, so now it's finished and you have the app here, Genshin Impact, and now you can double click to open it. Okay, so you can see that it runs very perfectly, and you need to know that you cannot log in with your Apple account, so you need to use your email and your password to do that. Okay, so now just tap to begin the game. You can see that it's now downloading the resources, so just wait for it for a second and it will start to download. Okay, so now just tap to begin and tap. Okay, so you need to download the full package first, so download the full version, and now just wait for it to download. It might take for some time, and we will be right back after it's finished download. Okay, so now I'm on my home screen. Just search for play cover and open it, and now right click on it right click on GENSHIN IMPACT and select import from mapping. Okay, so now you make sure that you download this GENSHIN IMPACT.playmap file for your mapping so that you can use your keyboard and mouse to play the game. So select it and open it. I will leave a description link down below for you to know how to download it. Okay, so now double click on a game to open it. You can see that the game is now starting. Okay, the mouse mapping is not fully enabled, so you need to press the option key on your keyboard to map your mouse. Okay, so now tap and wait for it to load, and now just tap to begin the game. Okay, so now you can see it runs perfectly. Okay, so now you're in the game and you can see that all of the WASD works fine, and you can press the Alt key and now you can use your mouse to navigate the screen or turn the camera around. Okay, so when you need to go back to the mouse, you just need to press the option key again, and you can see the mouse is now working again, and you can scroll through the map. So let's go to the teleport waypoint and do some daily commissions here. Okay, so now you can see that it's very smooth, and I can just click the option key to map into the game. Now you can see that I just works like how it works on a PC, and you can use the keys to play. Okay, so let me just demonstrate some games and daily functions using the game.
Strike a pose! Rise with the sun!
Okay, so you can check the key mapping by using the menu bar up there, and open the first option, and you can see these are all the keys that are being mapped from the key map file, so you can adjust it to your preferences, or you can just use by default. So I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be very willing to help you. So I hope that you like this video, and give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.